Okay, these were given to me by my neighbor. He was at some kind of sportings event. I think it was a, is this turned on? Yeah, I think it was a basketball game. And they handed out these kind of plasticky, they're like foam with some type of circuit inside them that does, oh, there you go, makes different patterns and stuff. Let's push the buttons here. Yeah, this one, all kinds of things. Well, that's kind of cool. Those white ones are kind of show up blue on the camera there. These are white LEDs, so they kind of have a blue LED on them. Anyway, so he gave them to me and says, "Hey, I think this make a good video for your YouTube channel." So he's probably watching. Yeah. All right. So I thought we would look inside one of these things and see what there is to see. How did they accomplish this? All right, so I took the foam case off, and you get this long piece of wire here with 1, 2, 3 LEDs and a little board here. We can zoom in a little bit here. Look, get it to focus. So and they're just, there's no insulation. These could short out really easy. So just a bare LED. These are T1 LEDs. There's no resistors, just kind of all in series. And then it goes to this little controller board down here. On this side, looks like there's a battery compartment, so there's a bunch of batteries in here. Maybe I should pull the batteries out and power other things with them. Let's see, what kind of batteries do we get here? Yeah, these are red ones, I guess. There you go. Let's pull these out. Yeah, looks like there's some kind of a battery. Oh, that's weird. That's really weird. Can I come down a little closer? Let's see here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's one thick one and 2 thin ones. And they were all in series. So, I think they're all the same voltage, right? This is an LR44. That's pretty standard. What are these guys? These are LR1130s. I'm not familiar with those. They're like half height 44s. So I guess they didn't have enough room to put 3 of these in, or they couldn't afford 3 of these. I don't know. These are pretty standard. But that's what's in there, just to get the voltage up, right? You have to overcome the VF of the LED. Well, that's pretty weird. There's a little battery compartment on there. And then there's this little glob of snot, that's what we used to call it, glob of snot chip on board. So this is just super hard stuff. So it's nothing to see. It's just a blurry mess. No, there's just a piece of plastic here that just doesn't do anything. And 2 contacts with a switch. And then, yeah, that's all there is to it. I don't know. Kind of a boring teardown, but yeah, there you go. I think I'll salvage the batteries out of these things. Yeah, I pulled the batteries out. Can you imagine how many of these batteries made it into the landfill after the sporting event? Terrible.